When we derive our sense of self from the content of our experience, then I am this and I am that. And we live in duality, we live in polarity, we live in the push and pull of resistance and grasping, rejection and possession. And this is not the road to peace or freedom. But when we recognize the I am, the fact of I am in all experiences, in all moments, in all circumstances, something starts to shift. It's not that we really have to try to be aware of awareness, because awareness isn't a thing outside of ourselves. If we really look within and examine the fact, the reality, awareness is just the reality. You cannot exist without awareness. And you cannot exist without I am. It's the foundation of our existence. And this I am and this awareness never changes. Examine for yourself. Now we can examine through inquiry. We can also, should we choose to, practice in this way. Put some time aside, maybe first thing in the morning and last thing at night before you go to bed. And it doesn't have to be long. Even 10 minutes is better than nothing. We're not trying to meditate. We're not trying to get rid of thinking. And when we try to get rid of thinking in meditation, we're focusing on the content. Here we are not focusing on the content. The thoughts, the feelings, whatever, the images, the sensations, it's all here. Be unconcerned. Simply look within and recognize the simplicity of being, the fact of awareness, the fact of I amness, and then see. Is it located somewhere? Is it in my heart? Is it in my belly? Is it in my third eye? Is it somewhere outside of me? Is it above me? Can I locate I am? Can I locate awareness? And what is its quality? Does it move? Does it change? Or is it simply presence itself? And does it have any boundary? Does it have a beginning or an ending? Does it start and stop? In this way, we start to deepen into the alignment with the truth of our being. That's illumination. Because beingness, stripped of its clothing, let's say, attire, I am this or I am that, is naked, empty, open. That's light, lightness, transparency.